everyone, my name is Miniseti. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about Poisson distribution with example. Poisson distribution is a type of probability distribution which is used to show how many time an event is likely to occur within specific time period. Poisson distribution is a type of probability distribution which is used to show how many time an event is likely to occur within specific time period. And Poisson distribution mainly used when number of trials are very large and probability of success from each trial is very small. Please listen carefully. Poisson distribution mainly used when number of trials are very large and probability of success from each trial is very small. For example, there is one restaurant, more than 1000 customer visit here in a day, and this restaurant provide very delicious food and excellent services. We have to find probability of dissatisfied customer. Here you can see more than 1000 customer visit here in a day. That's why number of trial are very large. If this restaurant provide delicious food and excellent services, obviously most of customer will satisfy. There is very less chance, or we can say that there is less chance to find probability of dissatisfied customer. But our success is finding probability of dissatisfied customer. Our success is finding dissatisfied customer, but this restaurant provide very delicious food and excellent services. So we can say that in this case, finding probability of success, or we can say that finding probability of dissatisfied customer is very small. So in this case, without any hesitation, we can use Poisson distribution, because we mainly use Poisson distribution when number of trials are very large and probability of success from each trial is very small. Average, or we can say that mean, is crucial for Poisson distribution because it helps to know how many time an event is likely to occur within specific time period. And in Poisson distribution, mean is represented by lambda. In Poisson distribution, mean is represented by lambda. And formula of calculating lambda is n into p. N is number of trial, p is probability of success. Now we will see formula to calculate Poisson distribution. P of x is equal to r is equal to e raised to minus lambda, lambda raised to r divided by r factorial. Here you can see 2 times r. Here is r, here is also r. What r represent? R is random variable which mainly tell us number of success in experiment. R is random variable which mainly tell us number of success in experiment. Suppose you have to find a probability of a zero defect. Here your success is finding probability of a zero defect. In such a case, value of r is equal to 0. If you have to find probability of one defect, in such a case, value of r will equal to 1. Here you can see e. E is exponential of function based on logarithm, and the value of e will approximately 2.71828. And lambda is mean, or we can say that average. Here you can see 2 times lambda minus lambda. Here is also lambda. Lambda is mean, or we can say the average of event. For example, average 5 events are expected to occur, so lambda will equal to 5. If lambda is given in question, then okay, but if lambda is not given in question, then you have to find. And formula of calculating lambda equal to np. Here n is the number of trial and p is the probability of success. P of x equal to r represent probability of observing r event, or we can say the chance of occurring r event. Now we will see one example. Suppose a website receive average 2 visitors per minute. Find out probability of receiving exactly 3 visitors in a minute. So here you can see website receive average 2 visitors per minute. As we earlier discussed, mean, or we can say that average is represented by lambda. So we can say that lambda is equal to 2 because website receive average 2 visitors per minute. And we have to find out probability of receiving exactly 3 visitors in minute. As we earlier discussed, R is a random variable which mainly tells us number of success in experiment. So here our success is finding exactly 3 visitors in minute. So we can say the value of R is equal to 3. We have value of lambda, we have value of R. We will put in this formula, value of R is equal to 3, value of lambda is equal to minus 2, and value of R is equal to 3, lambda is equal to 2, and divided by 3 factorial, because the value of R is equal to 3. As we earlier discussed, value of E is approximately this, and when we solve this it will become equal to this, and when we solve this part it will become equal to this. As we know, in case of factorial we do reverse counting, and when we solve this part it will become equal to 0.1804. So we can say that probability of finding exactly 3 visitors in a minute is equal to 0.1804, or we can say the 18.04%. So this is all about Poisson distribution. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.